So in this video, we will learn how to send Slack channel messages for Microsoft To-Do tasks. Now guys, in this automation, whenever a new task will be created on our Microsoft To-Do, automatically a new channel message will be sent on Slack using that same task details. Now the trigger application in this automation will be Microsoft To-Do and the action will be Slack, and we are going to connect both of these applications. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
Now to set up this automation, first we will go to our browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. Now as we click on access now, we can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Microsoft To-Do to Slack. Basically both of the applications which we are going to use in this video. You can give any name to your automation workflow and then just click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new task which we are creating in Microsoft To-Do in Pabbly Connect. After that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send that new task details to Slack channel to update our team members. So now to do this, here in trigger window in choose app, we have to search for Microsoft To-Do. Microsoft To-Do. Here it is, just select it. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, we have to select new task because we want to get the data of new task from Microsoft To-Do. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. So here guys, we have to connect our Microsoft To-Do account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Microsoft To-Do button over here. And then because I have already logged into my Microsoft To-Do account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. And then here in new window, it is asking us for the authorization permission. Just click on yes. And after that, we will see that our Microsoft To-Do account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here it asks us for the list. So in the drop down below, we can see all the list, all the task lists which we have created in our Microsoft To-Do account can be seen over here. So in my Microsoft To-Do account, I have only two lists. One is named as Pabbly Connect and second one is named as tasks. So here in Pabbly Connect workflow, we can see both of the list. So I want whenever a new task is created in Pabbly Connect, this list, the details of that task should be captured in Pabbly Connect and then shared on Slack. So I want to take the task details, new task details from Pabbly Connect, this list. So select our list. And after that, when we will click on the save and send test request button, the details of new task will be captured or the details of most recently created task in this list will be captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow. Now before clicking on save and send test request, let's create a dummy task over here in Microsoft To-Do. So what we are going to do, we are going to give this task a name. For example, I'll name it as test integration. Okay, let's enter a due date that is of tomorrow. Let's enter a reminder for tomorrow at 9 a.m. and let's click on add. Then let's add some details of this task. For example, pick a category. So the category of this task is, for example, blue. Then I don't want to get the reminders of this task. So I'll just not select the repeat button. We don't have any files to add. If you have, just add it over here. And let's add a note. So I can add that note add. We have to test the Microsoft MS Excel integration with Pabbly Connect. So this is just a dummy task guys which we are going to create in this video. So the description of this task is we have to test the Microsoft Excel integration with Pabbly Connect. And after entering these details, just we can see that this new task is created. After creating a test task, a dummy task over here, just get back to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request. Now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, the response of the most recently created task, the task which we have created just now, few seconds ago in this video, we can see that the details of this task are now captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow. So here in responses, we will scroll down and we can see that we have the title of the task, the title which we have given, that is test integration. Then we will scroll down and then we have the category. So we have given the category as blue category over here. So we have the category. Whatever category name you want, you can add over here, and that response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Then we will scroll down and then we will find the body content. So here in body content, we will see the description of the task which we have added. We have to test the MS Excel integration with Pabbly Connect, the same description which we have added. So guys, here we can see that the details of the new task, the most recent task created in Microsoft To Do, are now successfully got captured in Pabbly Connect. So the step 1 of setting up this automation is now completed. We have connected Microsoft To Do with Pabbly Connect. Now what we want to do, we want to send these new task details to our Slack channel as a channel message to update our team members, for example. Now to do so, we will just scroll down in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And here in action window, in choose app, we will search for Slack. Slack it is, just select it. And after that, in action event from the drop down, we have to select send channel message. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, to send the channel message on our Slack account, we have to basically connect our Slack account with Pabbly Connect. Now to do so, just click on this connect with Slack button and then it is asking us for the token type. So basically we have two different token types, either a user or a bot. So what is the token type for this connection? For example, I want to make this token as bot, so I'll just select bot. You can basically select user or bot according to your requirement and click on save. Now guys, because I have also logged into my Slack account in my browser over here, as you can see, Pabbly Connect has also detected the same account. And here it is asking us for the authorization once again for the Slack connection. Just click on allow, and after that, as you can guess, our Slack account got connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the channel. And here in the drop down, we can see a list of all the channels which we have created in our Slack account can be seen over here. So out of all of these channels, the channel which I have created to update the new task from Microsoft To Do is named as new task. As you can see, this is the dedicated channel which I have created, and in this channel, I want to share the details of the new task. So here from the drop down, we will select the channel in which we want to send the details. Then it is asking us for the message, that what is the message which we want to send. So I want to send a message as, for example, hello team. We have a new task name, and here in front of task name, we wanted to add the name of the title of the task which we have created in Microsoft To Do. So we have received the title of the task over here from Microsoft To Do in Pabbly Connect. So here is the title of the task in the trigger window response. So what we have to do guys, we have to basically map this same response, the same data over here in this field. And the process of mapping is very simple. Now, as we click on this message or this box of message, in the drop down, we can see there are the responses, all the responses which we have received from Microsoft To Do can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, just select the response of title and map it. So in this way, we have mapped the response or the data of new task which we have received from Microsoft To Do in Pabbly Connect over here in this Slack action window. So here, whatever name we will give to our task or the whatever title which we will give to our task in Microsoft To Do, that title will be featured in front of this title name or task name. Then I wanted to add the category as well. So this is the section for category. So we have also received the category of the task which we have added, that is blue category for this test task, dummy task which we have created. Now we will map this same category response as well over here in front of category. So as you all know, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply from the drop down, we can scroll down and select the response of category and map it. Then we will have to add the description of the task. For example, this is the description field. Just a second. This is the description field, and from the drop down, we just have to map the body content, the description of the task which we have created over here. So I want that this is the kind of message I want to send on my Slack channel whenever a new task is created in Microsoft To Do. If you want, you can basically change the body of the message according to your choice and map the required data whichever you want. After drafting the message which we want to send on our Slack channel, it asks us image URL and image alter tasks. So if you want, you can also send some kind of images with your Slack channel message on your Slack channel. Now guys, we don't have any image right now and these fields of image are not mandatory as well. So if we want, we can basically ignore these fields and that's what we are going to do. Then after image, it is asking us bot name and bot icon. So we have selected the connection as bot. That's why it is asking us by what name, what will be the name of the bot which will be sending the messages on our Slack channel. So I want the name of the bot as Microsoft To Do. So this will be the name of the bot which is going to send the messages on our Slack channel. Then if you want, you can basically give an icon, a logo to this bot as well. So it is also not mandatory. So we are just going to skip this for now in this video. Then it is asking us auto expand link. That is true. If you share a link, we want to share the complete link over there. Then link username and channel name. So that is also true. Reply broadcast. That is false, and thread message ID with timestamp. So all of these fields are not mandatory right now. So we are just going to ignore these fields for now. And what we are going to do, we are just going to click on this save and send test request button. Now, as we click on save and send test request, we have also received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have drafted over here with this data, basically the message or the details with the new task which we have created in our Microsoft To Do are now shared as a message in our Slack channel. So let's check our Slack channel. Let's go to Slack. And yes guys, here we can see that just now a new message has been shared on our Slack channel. So this is the message which says, hello team, we have a new task name test integration. Category, it's a blue category task and this is the description. We have to test the MS Excel integration with Pabbly Connect. So guys, this is it. Now we can see that the automation, the workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now every time a new task will be created in Microsoft To Do, automatically the details of the task will be shared as a channel message on our Slack channel with our team members. And here you will notice the name of the bot who shared the message, who sent the message is also the same. Microsoft To Do, MS To Do, which we have added over here in this our Slack action window. So guys, the automation which we are supposed to set up in this video is now complete. Now every time a message will be received or task will be created in Microsoft To Do, automatically the details of the task will be sent on our Slack channel. And here in this automation workflow, in trigger window of Microsoft To Do, you can see it is written every 8 hours. When you will hover on it, it shows this trigger will check for new data every 8 hours. So guys, basically what it is, every 8 hours, Pabbly Connect will go to Microsoft To Do, our Microsoft To Do account, and check that whether a new task is created in duration of that 8 hours or not. If we have created new task in that duration, it will get the details or the data of new task every 8 hours and then send the Slack channel message according to it. If you want, because all of this because the connection between Microsoft To Do and Pabbly Connect is based on polling technique. So not just these applications guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also guys, Pabbly Connect comes with a forever free plan. In this plan, you will get free tasks in your own Pabbly Connect account every month. Which means if you consume your free task of this month, you will once again get these free tasks next month as well.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.